The 2025 Mercedes BRABUS 800 edition represents the epitome of ultra-luxury and high-performance SUV engineering. Developed by the German tuning and refinement powerhouse BRABUS, renowned for transforming Mercedes-Benz vehicles into bespoke performance masterpieces, this model is typically based on the Mercedes-AMG G63 platform, one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world. Unlike standard AMG models, the BRABUS 800 is a masterpiece of power, design, and bespoke interior luxury, combining staggering performance, meticulously handcrafted details, and a rare level of personalization that elevates it far beyond the realm of regular production vehicles. Exterior design. Visually, the BRABUS 800 is unmistakable. Its design philosophy centers on a commanding, aggressive stance that both honors the rugged heritage of the G-Class and injects it with a distinctly modern supercar-like personality. The exterior is dominated by the BRABUS WideStar body kit, an extensive carbon fiber enhancement package that broadens the SUV's profile with flared wheel arches, large air intakes, side skirts, and sculpted bumpers. These elements not only communicate performance readiness, but also improve aerodynamic function by optimizing airflow around the vehicle. Carbon fiber panels are integrated throughout the front fascia, rear spoiler, roof attachments, mirror caps, and spare wheel cover, all finished with high-grade coatings that accentuate the SUV's bespoke nature. On models like the Super Black, Mean Green, or Deep Blue variants, the WideStar kit is matched to unique exterior color themes that create a head-turning visual identity while highlighting the precision of BRABUS craftsmanship. Large 24-inch forged monoblock wheels in various high-end finishes further enhance the vehicle's presence, filling the widened arches and balancing the bold proportions. In many variants, high perfs, Ormance tires and specially tuned suspension components ensure that the BRABUS 800 not only looks imposing, but also handles with authority on road. Signature LED lighting, aggressive grille designs, and illuminated BRABUS logos integrated into certain exterior elements complete the visual statement, offering a blend of luxury and performance cues that very few SUVs can rival. Interior luxury. Step inside a BRABUS 800 and you enter a world of handcrafted luxury that rivals the finest private jets. The interior dressing is exclusively BRABUS masterpiece, a designation reflecting the level of artisanal workmanship and customization involved. Every surface that occupants touch is covered in meticulously selected materials, such as fine leather, Alcantara, and optionally carbon fiber trim. The seats, door panels, dashboard, and even luggage compartment are often upholstered in premium hides with intricate quilting patterns, such as the shell or double cube motifs, accented with detailed stitching and BRABUS-specific emblems, like the signature double B embossing. Functional elements also receive bespoke treatment. The steering wheel might be wrapped in leather or Alcantara with carbon fiber inlays, and BRABUS carbon paddle shifters. The instrument cluster and center console incorporate premium metals and bespoke trim pieces, and extensive ambient lighting creates a tailored cabin mood. BRABUS continually offers personalization options, meaning customers can specify unique color themes, stitching patterns, and accent materials to match their tastes, making each BRABUS 800 genuinely one of a kind. High-end comfort features such as heated and ventilated massaging seats, premium surround sound systems, advanced climate control, and state-of-the-art infotainment ensure this SUV is as refined as it is powerful. Performance power in an SUV package. At the heart of the BRABUS 800 edition lies its twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, extensively upgraded by BRABUS engineers. In virtually all versions of the 800, this high-performance V8 delivers around 588 kW, 800 HP, and a massive 1,000 Nm, 738 power of torque, figures that dwarf the output of the standard AMG G63 on which it is based. This power transformation is achieved through bespoke turbochargers, optimized engine mapping, upgraded fuel delivery, and superior cooling systems, all characteristic elements of BRABUS's engineering philosophy. These upgrades translate into breathtaking acceleration for a massive SUV. Typical performance figures include a 0-100 km 62 mph sprint in around 4.0 seconds and electronically limited top speeds near 240 km 149 mph. The pairing with a 9-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive setup ensures that the enormous torque is delivered smoothly and controllably, whether on asphalt or light off-road terrain. Exhaust systems developed by BRABUS feature active valve control, allowing the driver to switch between a thunderous V8 soundtrack and a more discreet tone for quieter driving, blending performance thrill with everyday usability. Handling is also tuned to match the elevated power, with reinforced suspension elements, high-performance brakes, often with BRABUS-specific components, and electrified adaptive systems that maintain composure under acceleration, cornering, or heavy braking. The result is not just raw speed, but a driving experience that feels composed, predictable, and exhilarating, remarkable for a vehicle of this size and presence. Safety and technology features, performance and luxury aside, the BRABUS 800 edition retains, and often enhances, the advanced safety and driver assistance systems found in the Mercedes-AMG G63 base. Although BRABUS-tuned does not typically list standalone safety packages as its focus is tuning and customization, the underlying AMG platform includes a suite of cutting-edge safety tech such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, parking sensors with 360-degree cameras, and advanced traction systems. These features provide active and passive protection while affording high confidence at speed or in demanding traffic conditions, a necessity given the vehicle's performance capabilities. In addition, luxury safety features like multi-contour seats with airbags, heated steering wheels, advanced stability control systems, and full LED lighting contribute to both occupant protection and comfort. Many BRABUS owners also elect to equip additional optional safety technologies through Mercedes-Benz's catalog, given the SUV's premium status and the high expectations of its clientele. Thus, drivers get a supercar-level performance machine that remains grounded in state-of-the-art safety and convenience systems. Pricing level. One of the defining characteristics of the BRABUS 800 edition is its pricing, a reflection of the extensive customization, engineering, and exclusivity it embodies. Unlike standard Mercedes vehicles with set manufacturer pricing, BRABUS creations are typically built to order, with the final cost determined by the base vehicle price plus the BRABUS upgrade package and any additional bespoke options. Official pricing data from BRABUS for variants such as the 800 Super Black suggests a starting price around $565,900, approximately $600,000 plus depending on taxes and options, before regional taxes or importer duties, which can significantly increase the on-road price in markets like the UAE, US, or Pakistan. Prices vary widely with customization, special finishes, unique interior themes, carbon fiber packages, wheel upgrades, bespoke color schemes, and other tailor-made features can add tens of thousands of euros, or equivalent, to the final invoice. In some cases, rare limited editions or highly personalized builds may exceed $700,000 or more, a price justified by the bespoke nature and reduced production scale of these vehicles. The 2025 Mercedes BRABUS 800 edition stands as a testament to what is possible when luxury, performance, and bespoke craftsmanship intersect at the highest level. It combines handcrafted interior opulence, aggressive and aerodynamic exterior styling, supercar-grade performance, and advanced safety technology within a single commanding SUV package. Whether seen cruising city streets or blasting down an open highway, it makes an unmistakable statement, one that few vehicles can rival in both presence and capability.